front of me is Samsung Galaxy S9 and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. You need to begin by opening Recorder app. If you never used it before, hit allow in the pop-ups. And then before starting recording, click on those three dots at the top right corner. Select settings and manage all of them however you want to, like quality. When you're ready, go back and select the perfect mode for you: standard, interview or speech to text. Finally, to start recording, click on red button at the bottom. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same middle button. To listen to your recording right away, pause it, swipe it and click on play button on the left. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on bookmark icon over here. And finally, to end and save your recording, click on this square on the right. Then name it however you want to and select save. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. To play it, click on it. To delete it, hold it. Choose delete at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!